Another day, another story. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the transformative impact of 5G technology on various industries. Specifically, we'll explore how 5G is revolutionizing healthcare, manufacturing, transportation, and logistics through real-time data analysis, remote monitoring, and automation. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the healthcare industry. With the advent of 5G, healthcare providers can leverage real-time data analysis to improve patient care and outcomes. For instance, doctors can remotely monitor patients' vital signs in real time, enabling timely interventions and reducing the need for hospital visits. Additionally, 5G enables the seamless transmission of high-resolution medical imaging, allowing for faster diagnoses and enhanced collaboration among healthcare professionals. Moving on to manufacturing, 5G is revolutionizing the industry by enabling advanced automation and real-time monitoring. With ultra-low latency and high reliability, 5G networks facilitate the connection and coordination of numerous sensors and devices in real time. This enables manufacturers to optimize production processes, minimize downtime through predictive maintenance, and improve overall operational efficiency. Moreover, 5G-powered robotics and autonomous systems are transforming manufacturing operations, leading to increased productivity and cost savings. The transportation industry is also experiencing a significant transformation due to 5G technology. With its unparalleled speed and low latency, 5G enables seamless communication between vehicles, infrastructure, and traffic management systems. This paves the way for enhanced road safety, efficient traffic management, and improved navigation systems. Moreover, autonomous vehicles heavily rely on 5G networks for real-time data exchange, enabling them to make split-second decisions, reducing accidents, and optimizing transportation networks. Lastly, let's explore the impact of 5G on the logistics industry. With its high bandwidth and low latency, 5G facilitates real-time tracking and monitoring of goods in transit. This enables logistics companies to optimize supply chain operations, reduce inventory losses, and enhance overall efficiency. Additionally, 5G-powered technologies, such as drones and autonomous robots, are revolutionizing last-mile deliveries, making them faster, more accurate, and cost-effective. As we conclude this video, it's evident that 5G technology is transforming industries like healthcare, manufacturing, transportation, and logistics through real-time data analysis, remote monitoring, and automation. With faster speeds, low latency, and massive connectivity, 5G is enabling businesses to unlock new possibilities, improve productivity, and deliver enhanced services to customers. Exciting times lie ahead as we continue to witness the impact of 5G on these industries and beyond. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or additional insights, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care and happy exploring. Thanks for watching.